guys, I'm KISSY Patangan of BSIE 1B. Today, we will be presenting our project, which is a software application called Catch the Ball. In the recent years, digital games have assumed an important place in the lives of children and adolescents. With the rise of technology, it has made people engage in online games, and it has been a popular way of people spending their leisure time. This has led to the development of more online games to play. As we can see in the App Store, there are a lot of games to choose from. With the popularity and demand, this project aims to develop a fun and challenging game that will not only give you a sense of enjoyment, but it also enhances your focus and concentration. The goal is to provide a healthy distraction from stress, promoting relaxation and calmness. Right now, a game can be a stress reliever. So this is another application for them to try and play where they can enjoy and have fun.
Before we begin, allow me to introduce myself. I am JEANE and this is our video presentation. The project overview will be discussed by my teammate Jean MANATAD. Together, we'll introduce Catch the Fall, a game designed to entertain and challenge its players. Without further ado, let us begin.
Project Overview. Our problem statement is many games out there are fun, but don't really help players develop important skills like reflexes, focus, or coordination. And the solution, Catch the Fall, is a game designed to address this by having players catch falling objects. This simple mechanic helps boost these key skills while being easy to play and engaging. The game also features colorful graphics and becomes progressively harder as you advance key players challenge. It's ideal for kids who are developing essential skills, casual gamers looking for a fun experience, and parents or teachers who want something educational for their children. Technical details. Architecture. First, client. The game runs on your phone where you play it. Second, server. A remote computer saves your progress and keeps track of high scores. Third, model. Track your score while you play. Lastly, view. Show your score on the screen. Technologies used are built with C++ using the code blocks editor. Second, uses the SFML library for visual and sounds. And the key features: first, gameplay. Catch falling objects to score points. Second, multiplayer. Play with others in real time and compete. Third, sounds. Enjoy background music and sound effects for catches. And lastly, leaderboards. See who the top players are.
We developed the game using the Agile methodology or Agile method, which means we worked on it step by step. Each feature was built, tested, and improved before moving on to the next one. This approach made it easier to fix issues quickly and ensure everything worked smoothly. Here's the timeline of how Catch the Fall created. First one, planning and design. We started by brainstorming the game mechanics and designing visuals for the basket and falling objects. Second one is the core development. Next, we brought the game to live coding object, movement, and collision detection. Third one is the game over logic. Created the game over screen and added a reset option to keep players engaged. Fourth one is testing and refinement. We fixed bugs, adjusted speeds, and balanced the gameplay to make it fun and fair. The last one is finalization. After the testing, we ensured that the game was stable, smooth, and ready to play. The challenge was that the code wouldn't run without the sensational and aerial TFF fonts, because SFML couldn't provide them. We tried searching online and we worked hard to make it work, but it didn't turn out as expected. Instead of overcomplicating it, we focused on creating a simple yet clear design, a bold red and a black screen with an X mark to show when the player loses. It's a minimalist approach, but it works perfectly and keeps the gameplay smooth and engaging.
Testing and evaluation. First, we did gameplay testing manually by playing the game to make sure all the mechanics work as intended. Next, we conducted user experience testing to ensure the game is fun and enjoyable for players. Finally, we performed bug testing to find and fix any issues affecting the game's performance. Lastly, results. The results were amazing because players loved the game and give positive feedback. Next results, we fixed bugs and made improvements which helped achieve a smooth, reliable performance.
Now let's move on to our future plans. In terms of improvements, we plan to make several improvements and future updates like enhancing the graphics of the game, adding power-ups and bonuses to make it more exciting because this type of features feels good as a player. Adding some unique challenges and obstacles would make the game challenging. Having it would make you feel the thrill of the game. We also would like to make it a multiplayer game, allowing children or people of all ages to play it with their friends for competitive play, making it more fun and enjoyable. We all know that it's better and more fun to play a game with people close to you. To ensure that our software application can grow, adjust, and meet the changing demand of users, we plan to continuously gather and ask people for feedback and suggestions regarding with our application in order to further develop and improve it for us to deliver a better user experience.
Catch the Fall. Catch the Fall is an interactive game where the goal is to catch the falling shapes using a catcher. Your only task? Catch them all. Catch the Fall is fun and exciting game that tests your focus and quick reflexes. Miss a shape and it's a game over. But catch them all, and you'll feel the satisfaction of mastering every challenge. It's straightforward, entertaining, and keeps you coming back for more. So, are you ready to jump in, test your skills, and take on the Catch Them All?
Through continuous feedback gathering, the game will evolve to meet the changing demands of users, ensuring a high quality and enjoyable user experience while providing endless entertainment for children and adults of all ages.